In Miami, Florida, solar control windows Miami homeowners choose are designed to reduce heat gain, improve comfort, and lower cooling costs in every season. Sunny Isles Beach Solar Control Windows, Brickell Miami Low-E Window Services, and energy-efficient Windows Miami installation are in high demand because intense sun, humidity, and coastal exposure require stronger glass performance. Low-E glass windows Miami property owners install help reflect solar heat while still allowing natural light indoors. For condos, houses, and offices, heat-reducing windows Miami and UV-blocking windows Miami support energy savings and interior protection. Residential energy-efficient windows Miami families invest in offer better insulation, quieter interiors, and year-round performance for single-family homes, townhouses, and waterfront residences. From Key Biscayne energy-efficient residential windows to Cutler Bay energy-efficient home windows, these upgrades help reduce strain on air conditioning systems while improving curb appeal. Custom energy-efficient windows Miami homeowners request are available in many styles, including energy-efficient casement windows Miami, energy-efficient sliding windows Miami, and energy-efficient picture windows Miami. Home window efficiency upgrades Miami residents make today can add long-term value and daily comfort. For business properties, Miami, Florida commercial energy-efficient window contractors provide solutions that balance appearance, performance, and durability. Commercial energy-efficient windows Miami office managers, retail centers, restaurants, and multifamily buildings choose often include insulated glass, low-E coatings, and thermal frames built for heavy use. In downtown Miami, energy-efficient impact windows in downtown Miami are ideal for high-rise buildings and storefronts needing both storm protection and utility savings. High-performance windows Miami, Florida businesses install can support energy goals, reduce glare, and help create a more comfortable environment for employees and customers. Window replacement Miami, Florida projects are one of the smartest upgrades for older homes and buildings with outdated frames, single-pane glass, or air leaks. Miami energy-saving window replacement improves indoor temperature control while modernizing the appearance of the property. Whether the project involves vinyl replacement windows Miami, double-pane windows Miami, Florida, or insulated windows Miami, Florida, replacing inefficient windows can help control energy use in hot coastal conditions. Affordable energy-efficient windows in Miami, Florida are available for both renovation and new construction, making efficient upgrades accessible across many neighborhoods. Hurricane impact energy-efficient windows Miami property owners need combined storm resistance with insulation benefits, making them especially valuable in coastal communities. Aventura energy-efficient hurricane windows, Miami Beach energy-efficient window installation, and North Miami Beach energy-efficient glass windows are popular choices for homes exposed to salt air, wind pressure, and severe weather. Energy-efficient impact windows in downtown Miami also help protect residential towers and commercial properties while reducing solar heat transfer. These systems are engineered for strength, better sealing, and improved indoor comfort without sacrificing visibility or design flexibility. Neighborhood-specific demand across Miami, Florida continues to grow as more owners search for localized expertise and tailored products. Coral Gables energy-efficient window replacement, Coconut Grove Miami energy-saving windows, and Little Havana Miami insulated window installers all reflect the need for solutions that match architecture, weather exposure, and budget. Kendall Miami, Florida energy-efficient window company services, Doral Miami energy-efficient vinyl windows, and Hialeah energy-efficient replacement windows are also sought after by homeowners wanting dependable installation and lower energy bills. Local knowledge matters when selecting materials, glazing, and installation methods for Miami conditions. Insulated windows Miami, Florida residents rely on are built to help maintain interior temperatures in a climate where cooling performance is critical. Thermal insulation windows Miami homeowners and business owners install often feature multi-pane construction, insulated spacers, and advanced frame materials that reduce unwanted heat transfer. Westchester Miami double-pane window services, South Miami thermal window installation, and Coral Terrace heat-blocking windows Miami all support better efficiency in neighborhoods where afternoon sun can be intense. Soundproof energy-efficient windows Miami also add acoustic benefits, helping reduce traffic noise in busy urban and coastal areas. Energy Star windows Miami buyers prefer are selected for tested efficiency standards, making them a reliable choice for long-term savings. Miami Lakes Energy Star window installers, Palmetto Bay window efficiency upgrades, and Homestead energy-efficient window replacement services often focus on products that can improve thermal performance without compromising style. Eco-friendly windows Miami customers choose may also support sustainability goals through recyclable materials, durable construction, and lower energy consumption. Best energy-efficient window services in Miami, Florida typically guide property owners toward products that match orientation, building type, and local climate demands. Vinyl replacement windows Miami customers frequently request because they offer durability, low maintenance, and strong energy performance at a competitive price. Doral Miami energy-efficient vinyl windows and Hialeah energy-efficient replacement windows are especially appealing for property owners who want an affordable upgrade with clean, modern lines. When paired with low-E glass windows Miami and double-pane windows Miami, Florida, vinyl frames help improve thermal insulation and reduce outside heat. Affordable energy-efficient windows in Miami, Florida often include vinyl options for residential remodeling, rental property updates, and commercial renovation projects. Custom sizing and style options allow owners throughout Pinecrest, Coral Gables, and Coconut Grove to match efficiency upgrades with architectural character. Pinecrest Miami custom energy-efficient windows are ideal for luxury homes, while energy-efficient picture windows Miami can maximize views and daylight in waterfront properties. Energy-efficient casement windows Miami improve ventilation and ceiling performance, and energy-efficient sliding windows Miami remain a practical option for patios, condos, and modern homes. Window installation Miami, Florida specialists help ensure each system is fitted properly to deliver full performance, weather resistance, and long-term value. Choosing energy-efficient window contractors Miami property owners can trust is essential for getting the full benefit of any product. The best energy-efficient window services in Miami, Florida provide guidance on frame materials, glass packages, code requirements, and installation quality from start to finish. From Miami Gardens eco-friendly window installation to Key Biscayne energy-efficient residential windows and Miami, Florida commercial energy-efficient window contractors, experienced teams help customize each project for local conditions. High-performance windows Miami, Florida buyers select work best when paired with expert installation, proper sealing, and products made for Miami, Florida weather.